friends, welcome to TamTam's Land. Are you ready to watch a new story with us today? And today the characters of the story are Tanya and Boku. They are going to teach us about cleanliness and how it's so important for us to keep ourselves and our surroundings clean, to make sure that all of us are safe, healthy, germ-free, and all of that. So are you ready to go on an adventure and explore and learn more about cleanliness? Yes, sure I am too. Alrighty then, here we go.
What a beautiful day, Bookyu. Ooh, so clean, so shiny. Let's keep it that way. It feels nice when everything around us is clean. Happy place, happy day. Banana peel. What do I do now? Let's think before we drop anything. Oh no! Someone littered! That wrapper does not belong there! Trash goes in the bin. And some things can be recycled too! Boing! In the bin! Great job, Bookyu! Even one little wrapper can make a place dirty. One small cleanup makes a big difference. Wow, this park looks nice. Let's play here. Clean places welcome everyone. Clean surroundings help people enjoy the space. And nobody wants to sit near trash. Whoa! See? Messes can be dangerous too. Cleaning up quickly keeps everyone safe. No slips, no sticky shoes. Clean places help plants and animals too. Butterflies like clean homes! But what if nobody cleaned up? Uh-oh, that sounds bad. Ugh, it looks yucky! This is what happens when people litter. Yuck! Bugs are coming! Trash can attract pests. Animals can get hurt by litter. That's not fair to the bird. I don't want to stay here. It's dirty and stinky. No fun in a dirty place. Dirt and trash can carry germs that may make people sick. So cleaning helps keep us healthy too. I like the clean park much better. Me too. Clean places feel safe and joyful. We can all help every day. A little cleaning every day keeps dirt away. Let's do a quick cleanup together. Team Clean is on the job. Can I help too? Of course, everyone can help. Yay, more helpers! Cleaning can be fun together. Let's make the park sparkle. It feels fresh, bright, and happy. That's the power of keeping our surroundings clean.
Thank you for caring for the park.
It looks amazing.
Cleanliness helps everyone enjoy it.
We should keep our room, school, and park clean. Every place matters. Clean places are safer, healthier, healthier, prettier, and happier. Exactly right, Buku. A clean surrounding helps people, animals, and nature. So let's clean up and keep shining. Bye, friends!
Wow, that was such an awesome story where Tanya and Buku taught us how it's so important for us to keep our surroundings clean. Did you guys notice how they did not like the park that had like stale food and littering all around? None of us enjoy that kind of surrounding, but if all of us chip in and try to help as a community, and clean up after ourselves, we can create a surrounding that's happier, healthier, prettier, and safer for us humans and also for animals, right? Because if we litter something and animals like to eat the food and then they get sick, and we don't want anyone to get sick and sad, right? So that's an amazing story where we learned that if all of us try to clean up after ourselves, we can make this world a better place with neater and cleaner surroundings. And also, did you guys notice how when Tanya and Buku were cleaning up, they had more friends come in and all of them tried to help, and the work was done way quicker, way faster. So we definitely are stronger as a community. If we work as a community, we can go places. That was an awesome lesson learned. So make sure you make a promise to yourself to clean up after yourself, and you do your bit to keep the world a neater and happier place. See you later, friends.